Now it's time for the video question of the week, and it's a pretty common one. It has to do with a window problem. Roll it, Maestro.
Hey, Brian and John, my window seems to be stuck down. I hit the switch, I hear no noise. It seems to be raining forecast. Can you please help?
Common problem, Christian. You got two alternatives. Get an umbrella or get that inside panel off and do some checks.
Yeah, and you got two pieces down there. You have a window regulator right here that runs the window up and down. That's one part of the puzzle. Now you also have a motor, so we'll have to check the voltage as well. But really cool, we cut a door panel away so you can see the action inside of here. I'm gonna go ahead and run this up and down. Take a look at that. What you got down there, Brian?
Yep, it looks pretty good. Here's a good trick to look for right here. If the window is askew, is not solid in that mount, if it's going up crooked, that's one set of problems. The motor and the electrical's fine. I don't think you have that though.
No, so what you want to do is, they're pretty simple. They're bi-directional motors. That's what window motors are. We have one right here, Christian. You can just check voltage going down to it. It's going to be a positive and a negative. Why? Because it's coming up one way positive, it's returning through the switch to ground, and when I switch the polarities, it goes the other way. So it's not really a bad check. Brian, if you would switch that over to volts and hold that up, I'll unplug this motor right here. Two wires, no problem. We'll go across one side, and then I'm going to go across the other side of the terminal. Make sure they don't touch. And then what we can do is we can run the switch. We go in one direction, got a negative 12 volts. You go up in the other direction, you got a positive 12 volts. So what that tells us is you have power going to it. You're probably going to need a window motor, especially if you don't hear anything. Now, if you didn't have voltage and you were in an emergency situation, we can jump this, Brian.
You could hit that positive lead and go ahead and get that window back up.
Yep, we can take voltage to one side of it, get the other one to ground. It'll go in one direction, or try the other side, it'll go in the other direction.